Hello, friends. It's story time. Today we're reading a special story about Kwanzaa. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is a story about a little girl named Amara. She's celebrating Kwanzaa with her family for the very first time. Amara's family is teaching her about umoja, or unity. They all sit together to talk about working as a team. Her big brother helps set the table, and her grandmother tells her a story. Amara feels so happy to be part of her family. Next, Amara helps her mom light the black candle on the kinara. They talk about what they're thankful for. Amara says she's thankful for her friends and her family. Amara learned so much about Kwanzaa and had a great time with her family. I hope you enjoyed the story.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to make sure you get all of our latest videos.
So I'll see you next time at the Little Learners Network. Goodbye. See you next time at the Little Learners Network.